How to log in to Truist Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to your Truist Online Banking account from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you are inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here on the home page at the left side you can see the sign in pop-up menu. So there you can simply click on user ID field and enter your bank user ID. And once you're done with that, you simply have to click on the password field and after that you simply have to enter your password. And here if you wanted to remember your user ID, then you can just check this box that says save user ID. And once you do that, you'll simply have to click on sign in button and after that, if prompted, you have to complete the two-factor authentication by entering the code sent to your phone or email. And after that, you will be logged in to your account. But here, just in case if you ever forget your password, then you can just click on reset password and after that you can just follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to your Truist Bank account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.